In this video, I'm going to show you 5 useful shortcuts that you can use in Microsoft Teams right after this. Hi, my name is Tony and this is my channel Ready Steady Excel. If you want to master these applications, then by clicking subscribe and hitting the bell, you'd be on the right path. Shortcuts not only help you to work faster, but they can also help to reduce repetitive strain injuries because you're not constantly using the mouse. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you 5 amazing shortcuts that will make your life a lot easier in Microsoft Teams. And right at the very end, I'm going to give you one bonus tip. Okay, are you ready? Then let's go. Have you ever been in a meeting where you wanted to raise a question or get your point across, but by the time you found your mouse and found that unmute button, the moment has passed? Well, the next time you're in that situation, try this shortcut. To quickly unmute your phone, press Ctrl, Shift and M. Then press Ctrl, Shift and M to mute it back again. I love this one. This is a nice, quick and easy one. So if you want to switch your camera on or off, just simply press Ctrl, Shift and O. The way I remember it is, oh, I've left my camera on. If your setting for the video looks a bit unprofessional, like your bedroom, or perhaps you have people walking around in the background, you can blur your background really quickly. Just press Ctrl, Shift and P. Unfortunately, there isn't a shortcut to do the virtual background, but maybe that will come in the future, who knows. If you want to quickly access the icons down the left-hand side without using your mouse, then you can press Ctrl, then 1 to 6. So 1 will be activity and 6 will be shifts. If I press Ctrl 4, where will it take me? The calendar. If you have trouble reading Microsoft Teams, perhaps it's coming up too small, or someone's sharing their desktop and you can't quite see it, then try this shortcut. Ctrl and plus will zoom in. And then to zoom out, it's just Ctrl and then minus. So here's my bonus tip. Up here at the top, you've got a command area. Now we could use our mouse to go up there to see what it's all about, but let's use a shortcut. So Ctrl and / will bring up your list of commands. So these list of commands, you just simply put in the / and then type in the word or click on the word if you want to use the mouse and it will do that action. So for example, if you want to make a call, then you do / then call. 2 that I'm going to recommend in this session is / and keys, which will give you a list of all the keyboard shortcuts. Another one is to do / what's new, and this will show you all the latest updates on Microsoft Teams. This is the video that YouTube wants you to watch next, and this is the video that I want you to watch next. And if you haven't already, then please click subscribe. I will see you in the next video.